Hello guys, this is Gold Star FX from XAUUSD Elite Trading Group, and today we are going to discuss about the gold movement. All right, um, so today since this is our first video. Okay, let me introduce you that I trade in the gold asset, and I'm going to tell you my analysis, my personal opinion about this, of what the movement could be on Monday. So, before we understand the movement of what it could be on Monday, we have to see the history first. So, we begin with the history. So, if you can see, gold was in a very bullish momentum, okay, from on last week, okay, and we made a lifetime high that was around 2080 level, okay. It was actually a gap up opening, that too, it went to lifetime high, and from there you see because of such a huge gap up, we have made a pullback up to the 2030 level, but 2030 was a very critical level. So if you see, this 2030 level was acting like a very critical support, okay. So what happened on Friday, we were consolidating inside this range, okay. And what happened, it gave a breakdown towards the downside, okay. What we were expecting is that, if it comes towards the downside also, then it will, take a critical support over here at 2030 level, and go back again. But what happened during the evening, this news from the US came. You see, the data was released about the employment rate, and the employment rate came lower than the forecasted. So what happened, because of that, we gave such a huge fall towards the downside, as you can see here. So we fell from like 2035, 2040 level to almost $2,000, okay. So that's what happened. And after that, if you see, price has given, taken support at the $2,000 mark, okay. And from there, we have given a small pullback. So now, what can be done for tomorrow? What will be our game plan for tomorrow? Okay, I'll explain you that right now. See, right now, if you'll see, the place where it took support, $2,000 mark, that is act as our critical level, okay. If we sustain about 2000 level, then the chart is bullish once again, we will go towards the upside. Else, if it breaks the level of 2000, then we are going to come down till 1985, okay, first level. And below that, if you'll see, if we break 1985, we'll go to 1975 and 1970 level, okay. And but at the same time, if we consolidate near 2010 to 2020, and anywhere about 2000, if we consolidate for some time, then it can give a breakout on the upside, and again the trend will resume. So I will explain the price action also for you, okay. How the price can move on Monday. See, since after giving such a huge fall, you see, now we have given a bounce back. Ideally, price can never move up in a V shape like this. If you'll see, you know after a huge fall, we will not go up like this. Most likely, what is gonna happen is, after this bounce back, somewhere here nearby 2020 level, it's gonna take a resistance, okay. Now when it takes a resistance, two things are possible. Either it's going to come back to again retest the 2000 level, okay, or and then consolidate here and then again go up. This is one possibility. Or second thing is possible, it can come down till 2010 and then go up like this, or it can give a long consolidation at this range. These are all bullish possibilities. But let's say it comes down like this, and it breaks 2000 level, then what will it do? It will go to 1985 level, okay. Then most probably from there it will take a pullback towards 2000 level. And at 2000 level, since it is it's made a new low again, we can short it over here, okay. And this time, if it breaks 1985 level, then it will fall to 1975 level, okay. but the probability of it falling further, I don't think so. Most likely we should go towards the upside. All right. So the main plan is, if we consolidate in the range of if we go about 2020, after a consolidation or making like a W sort of pattern, okay, then our next target should be 2030. Okay, if we stay about 2030, our next target should be 2047. Okay, so this is for Monday, I'm telling. At the same time, if we break 2000 level, we'll go down to 1985, and if we cross 1985, we'll go to 1975 and 1970 level. All right. So this was my analysis for today. And also one more thing I will want to tell you, that the trend right now is bearish, as you can see from the EMA. As you can see from the EMA line itself, that we are bearish right now, and it can take resistance around the 2020 levels, 2020, yeah, 2020 to 2025 levels. All right. So we'll see tomorrow then what happens then, okay, on Monday. All right. So happy weekends, and see you on Monday, the results.